Hey guys, welcome back to my Rich Crowns channel. You'll be taking a look at my silk press pixie style experience with Broward County's most underrated hairstylist at Styles by Jules. I'll be sure to place her Instagram information in the comment section below. Now, for those of you who don't know, I've been 7 years natural. You guys seen me grow my hair down to my collarbone, then cut it off, then color it, then straighten it. And I've been dying to try this pixie hairstyle. And I thought, hey, you know what? Since I'm tired of the long hours of maintenance with my hair, I might as well just go back to the creamy crack. So I spoke about it with Jules, and she convinced me to try a silk press. Now, my goodness, I did away with those creamy crack thoughts immediately when I saw the results of my hair, which you will see at the end of this video. If you're following me on Rich Crowns, then you already have seen the amazing hairstyle that Jules have done for me. And I'm just so grateful that she introduced me to this silk press. Although I have done a silk press, I just didn't think for the life of me to get a silk press on my short hair, and I'm so glad she did. And I just hope that this video encourages all my natural sisters in the natural hair community to keep hope alive and to remain natural, because you can still get that perm textured hair without the chemicals, and you can rock that protective style any way you like, because that silk press is where it's at. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to follow us on Instagram, because that's how you'll know we have videos up, right? So yeah, keep hope alive, man. Don't go to the creamy crack. I almost jumped off the ledge, and I am here to help you get off of that ledge, okay? There are other solutions. Enjoy. Bye.